everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not going to be about nails, it's going to be about lashes. And it's going to be a two-part video. The first part I will be unboxing Glamnetic lashes that I bought from Glamnetic.com. And then the second part of the video, I'm going to show you a magnetic lash that I got from Amazon and how these two compare. So if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video. So this is a magnetic eyelash that I wanted to try for the longest time, and I kept seeing Facebook ads everywhere. But that's because maybe I kept clicking on all the ads, and you know, now Facebook, Google, everything's watching me and knows exactly what I'm looking for, so it keeps popping up until the day you buy it. I was used to getting eyelash extensions, but you know, there's COVID and it was getting kind of expensive, and I see that there's these ads. You know, you can put it on in like 2 or 3 seconds. We'll see. Okay, and then we'll see if it really puts on in 2 or 3 seconds like they suggested. So let's start unpacking. So this bag, look at how shiny it is. I actually want to keep this bag. This bubble wrap is really nice. Okay, extremely sticky here. So I've ordered 2 pairs of lashes. These are supposed to be ones where it looks kind of natural. So here they are. They're not really big. Interesting. So they had a promo. So they kept offering me promos until I really bought it, right? So this is the Glamnetic eyeliner. So you need to put this eyeliner before these would work, so we'll try that out. Okay, I'm gonna open this so we can take a look. So this isn't a nail related video, but I thought this would be interesting to share with everybody to see if this really works. Deep space. So it's kind of like a felt tip. Let's see now. We'll try, let's see, Sweetie. So this one's called Sweetie and this one's called Honey. So let's try Sweetie. Here we go. So here's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, I saw all the ads everywhere. So there's application tips. Apply the magnetic eyeliner on lash line and adhere the lashes from outer corner going inwards. Make sure the magnets make a connection with the magnetic liner. For extra long hold at the inner and outer corners, you may use anchors. Hold an anchor under your natural lashes near the magnet and snap it into place, sandwiching your natural lashes. So I didn't get anchors, so we won't be trying anchors. Okay. Oh, actually it includes 4 anchors on each cone. So each anchor is for each eye corner. Didn't see that. So let's see. The box is cute. Here are the lashes. So let's see, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. Okay. Got the eyeliner. Now let's see. So this one is for the right eye. Wow, interesting. Well, look at that. I guess this is fairly quick and easy, especially on camera makeup. I will give them a try and I'll let you know how it goes. Hello, welcome to part 2 of this video. So I have purchased a Amazon magnetic lash. I'll show you how it compares with the Glamnetic magnetic lash. So I will show you. It comes with a tweezer and it comes with 2 sets of lashes. These are the ones where it clips, one at the bottom and one at the top. I have tried to put this on and no luck. I couldn't put it on, it wouldn't stay. It looked all funky and I couldn't get it to look right at all. So I'm gonna use the Glamnetic magnetic liner and then try to put the Amazon lashes on to see how it compares with the Glamnetic lash, which you saw in part 1. So, I have no idea why. It's been the 5th time I've been using it, but since the 2nd time, every time I remove this eyeliner, the spring comes out. I do notice one thing though, after using this Glamnetic eyeliner several times, is that it takes probably 20 to 30 seconds to dry. And if you don't let it dry, it's gonna be quite sticky and you will feel like your eye is sticking to the top part of your eyelids. So now I'm gonna put the Amazon lashes on. So the Amazon lashes has 3 magnets. I don't know if you can see, but it has 3 magnets, and the Glamnetic lash has 6 tiny magnets. it's stuck on. I don't know. It doesn't feel, this part looks like it's kind of falling already. It doesn't feel very secure. I'm gonna close my eyes. And I think that you can actually see kind of the magnet through the eyelashes. I'm gonna blink several more times. Yeah, it doesn't feel very secure. I can see this part falling out already. Where the Glamnetic feels very secure. And in the first part of the video, I showed you after wearing the eyelashes for 8 hours, it was still pretty much stuck there and I felt very secure. So these are the Amazon eyelashes. It does look okay, but it's very insecure, and it is easier to put on if you use a Glamnetic magnetic liner, because the bottom lash where you're supposed to stick at the bottom, I can never ever get it to stick. Like even with the magnetic liner, I'm trying to stick it, it feels extremely uncomfortable, and you can see here it looks fairly wonky. See, I stuck the bottom kind of stick on now, maybe because of the magnetic liner, but it's attached to the bottom of the lashes. It's extremely uncomfortable and it looks very awkward. So just in summary, these Amazon magnetic lash cannot be worn on its own, and I don't really like the look of it even with the magnetic eyeliner. So for the Glamnetic eyelashes, I do like the look of it and it's very secure. However, I've worn these 5 times and each time it wasn't really for that long. The little magnets have all started to come off. Maybe that is a downside of being very stuck to your eyeliner, because I noticed it started coming off when I'm removing them, even when I'm removing them gently. And one time I noticed that after I put it back into this box, which has a magnetic rim, when I took it out again, the magnets were coming out. So I don't know if these ones are faulty or not, but I still have one more pack and I could report back to you after I use that pack as well. Let me take these out and show it to you. So I've used these 5 times. And this one only has 1 magnet left out of the 6. Although the lashes still look very cute, but it's no longer magnetic because it's missing 5 of its 6 magnets. And this one side still has this one other side still has let's see, 5 magnets left, and one of them has fallen. But I cannot wear just the one, right? I need to wear the pair. So this one has 5 magnets left, but that one only has 1 magnet left. I do like these. They are extremely cute when worn, as you can see from the photos. So let me know what you think of the magnetic lashes if you have tried one, or if you're thinking of trying one. Let me know how many wears you can get out of yours, because on the website it says it could wear up to 40 times, and I've worn these about 5 times. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you next time.